The JSY3000-P Series manifold from SMC is a marvel of engineering. Measuring just 348 millimeters, it's 134 millimeters shorter than traditional setups, offering a 28% reduction in length. 1-2. This series supports up to 64 stations, integrating electro-pneumatic regulators and solenoid valves on a single manifold. This eliminates multiple setups, reducing wiring work and required system integration units. A standout feature of the JSY3000-P is its simplified wiring. With just one power supply and communication cable, it supports up to 64 stations, cutting installation time and maintenance efforts. The JSY3000-P series is compatible with Profinet, Ethernet IP, and EtherCAT protocols. This flexibility ensures seamless integration into existing systems, making it ideal for diverse industrial applications. With its field bus communication system, the JSY3000-P allows precise air pressure control via electro-pneumatic regulators. This ensures optimal performance in demanding industrial environments. Built for industrial use, the JSY3000-P boasts an IP65 enclosure rating, protecting against dust and water jets. Its robust design ensures longevity and reliable performance in harsh conditions. Ideal for industries needing precise air pressure control, from automotive to food processing. Discover how the JSY3000-P series can revolutionize your automation processes. Contact Automation Distribution today to streamline operations, reduce costs, and enhance productivity with this innovative solution.